Hello everyone. I have a two-wheel hand cart that has been a tremendous value to me. I bought it in the spring of 1991. The tires are as old as the hand cart and they need replaced. So I bought new flat-free replacement tires. One thing that I noticed is this washer's missing from this side, and I've looked for it. I can't find it in the grass. And I don't know if it came off when I pulled it out of the garage or not, because I pulled this cotter pin when I went up to get tires so I could get replacement cotter pins. So I don't know if it fell off when I put it back in the garage then, or if it was years ago. I'm just not sure. I am going to go ahead and replace the tires. Now the nice thing is the kit comes with spacers. So we'll see. That's gonna work. Odd. Wish I could find that washer. It'd be really nice right now. I don't want to use that one-way clip because I'll never get that back off. I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not, but we'll try. There we go. So that's what I'd be looking for if I was able to find it in the grass, and I'll just have to, you know what? I just had an epiphany. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had an epiphany while I was looking at this. I have reducing washers in my toolbox. What these reducing washers do is, if you've got a 3/4 inch knockout in your electrical box and you only have a 1/2 inch connector, you put in a reducing washer. So I think that's going to be just perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this tire, put everything back, and then use the reducing washer on the other side. Okay. Darn it. Alright, we got that side 100%. Now we'll pull that other side and put that reducing washer on it. I was not expecting that to fit down over that bearing face, but it does. Or bearing race, I should say. And I think that's going to work out just fine. Just like that. I like this though. Well, it's flat free, but not for highway use. I'm not so much for the made in China part, but what else can you do? I mean, so it doesn't look bad for a 33-year-old hand cart. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for joining me. I will see you later.